Join Timmy, Lucy, and Benny on an enchanting journey through the magical forest, where friendship and bravery abound.
With their backpacks filled with supplies, our adventurous friends are ready to explore the wonders of the enchanted forest.